How to scrub bathroom floor deep clean. Alright guys, so just simply gather your cleaning supplies. That's the first step. So start by getting the right tools and cleaning products such as a scrub brush or a hard broom, floor cleaner or a bleach solution, a bucket and water, as well as gloves. And then all you need to do now is simply remove the dirt and debris. So sweep or rinse the floor to remove loose dirt before scrubbing, and then simply apply a cleaning solution. So once you've wet the floor, simply apply a cleaning solution and then apply your cleaning solution evenly across the floor. Let it sit for a few minutes to break down the dirt, and then you can begin wiping. And then you can now start scrubbing the floor by using a scrub brush, which is this here. Use a scrub brush to simply clean the floor thoroughly, focusing on the corners and growth lines. Now, rinse thoroughly once you're done with water to remove all dirt and soap. So make sure to rinse with water. And then last but not least, dry the floor with a mop or rag or anything that is clean and can be used to dry it faster. All right.